Welcome guys to another video, and today we are going to be cooking navi. Let's wear our cooking gear in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Nice. I don't want my parents to find out about this. Let's hurry. We need a knife, a pan, and fake cooking oil and navi. Let's cook. The first step, we are going to be taking navi and slicing it into small pieces. Take fake oil and apply on the pan. Put navi on the pan. Wait for navi to cook. Now you can serve your navi. Now you can cook navi. Please smash that like button and subscribe and comment what we should do next. Bye guys, my parents are here.